Have you ever wondered why so many people believe that simply having a grocery list filled with healthy foods guarantees a healthy diet? Today, we're diving into the common misconceptions surrounding grocery lists and healthy eating. We'll explore why people often confuse the act of writing down nutritious foods with actually achieving a balanced, healthy lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences between intention and action, and how to make your grocery list truly work for your health goals. Grocery lists are powerful tools for organization and planning. They help us remember what we need and can keep us focused while shopping. However, just because a list contains healthy items doesn't mean we'll automatically make healthy choices. Many people assume that writing down fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is enough, but the reality is more complex. The list is just the first step in a much larger process of healthy eating. It's easy to write down healthy foods with the best intentions, but what happens when we're actually in the store? Sometimes we get distracted by sales, cravings, or even just habit. The gap between what we plan to buy and what ends up in our cart can be surprisingly wide. This disconnect is one of the main reasons why a healthy grocery list doesn't always translate to healthy eating habits. Supermarkets are designed to tempt us. Bright packaging, strategic product placement, and enticing smells can all influence our decisions. Even with a healthy grocery list, we might find ourselves reaching for snacks or processed foods we hadn't planned to buy. Marketing tactics can easily override our original intentions, leading to less healthy choices despite our best efforts. Impulse buying is another major factor. Even the most carefully crafted grocery list can't always protect us from last-minute decisions. Whether it's a new snack on display or a favorite treat on sale, these unplanned purchases can quickly add up. Over time, they can undermine our efforts to eat healthily, making it clear that the list alone isn't enough. Our emotions play a big role in what we buy and eat. Stress, boredom, or even happiness can lead us to choose comfort foods over the healthy options on our list. Emotional eating often happens in the moment, making it difficult to stick to our original plan. Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward making more mindful choices. Shopping with friends or family can also impact our decisions. Sometimes we add items to our cart because someone else suggests it or because we want to please others. Social influences can subtly shift our choices, making it harder to stick to our healthy grocery list. Being aware of these dynamics can help us stay focused on our own health goals. Food labels can be confusing. Terms like natural, organic, or low-fat don't always mean a product is healthy. Many people add these items to their grocery list thinking they're making a better choice, but marketing language can be misleading. Learning to read nutrition labels critically is essential for making truly healthy decisions. Even healthy foods can become unhealthy if eaten in large quantities. People often overlook portion sizes when making their grocery list, assuming that as long as the food is healthy, it's okay to eat as much as they want. Understanding portion control is a key part of healthy eating that goes beyond just what's on the list. Having healthy ingredients at home is only helpful if you know how to prepare them. Many people buy fresh produce or whole foods but lack the skills or confidence to cook them. This can lead to food waste or defaulting to less healthy, convenient options. Building basic cooking skills can make your grocery list more effective. A grocery list without a clear meal plan can lead to mismatched ingredients and missed opportunities for balanced meals. People often buy healthy foods without thinking about how they'll combine them into actual dishes. Effective meal planning ensures that your grocery list supports your nutrition goals and reduces the risk of unhealthy last-minute choices. Convenience foods are everywhere, and even health-conscious shoppers can fall into the trap of buying prepackaged meals or snacks. These items often contain more salt, sugar, or fat than homemade versions. While they may seem healthy at first glance, relying on convenience foods can undermine your efforts to eat well. Healthy foods can sometimes be more expensive, leading people to compromise on their grocery list. Budget constraints may push shoppers toward cheaper, less nutritious options. Learning how to shop smart, like buying in-season produce or bulk grains, can help you stick to your health goals without breaking the bank. Busy schedules can make it hard to stick to healthy eating, even with a well-planned grocery list. When time is short, people may opt for quick, less healthy meals or snacks. Preparing some ingredients in advance or choosing simple recipes can help you make the most of your healthy grocery list, even on busy days. Not everyone knows what makes a food truly healthy. Without a solid understanding of nutrition, people may add items to their grocery list that aren't as beneficial as they seem. Educating yourself about nutrients, food groups, and balanced meals can help you make better choices both on your list and in your kitchen. Some people believe that if they can't eat perfectly healthy all the time, there's no point in trying. This all-or-nothing mindset can lead to frustration and unhealthy choices. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. A flexible approach to healthy eating is more sustainable and effective in the long run. Snacks are often left off the grocery list, but they play a big role in our overall diet. If you don't plan for healthy snacks, you might end up reaching for less nutritious options when hunger strikes. Including balanced snacks on your list can help you stay on track throughout the day. Drinks can be a hidden source of sugar and calories. Many people focus on solid foods when making their grocery list and forget about what they're drinking. Choosing water, herbal teas, or low-sugar beverages can make a big difference in your overall health. Choosing seasonal produce can make your grocery list healthier and more affordable. However, some people stick to the same foods year-round, missing out on variety and nutrients. Exploring what's in season can add excitement and nutrition to your meals. Cultural traditions and family preferences often shape our grocery lists. Sometimes, these traditions include less healthy foods, or we may feel pressure to buy certain items. Balancing cultural favorites with healthier options can help you honor your background while supporting your health. Many people believe that willpower alone will keep them on track. However, relying solely on self-control can be exhausting and often leads to slip-ups. Setting up your environment for success, like not buying tempting foods in the first place, can be more effective than depending on willpower alone. Our shopping and eating habits are deeply ingrained. Even with a healthy grocery list, old habits can creep back in, leading us to make less healthy choices. Changing habits takes time and patience, but small, consistent steps can lead to lasting change. Prepping food in advance can make it easier to stick to healthy eating. Without preparation, even the healthiest groceries can go unused. Setting aside time to wash, chop, and portion foods can help you make better choices throughout the week. Proper storage is essential for keeping healthy foods fresh and accessible. If fruits and vegetables spoil quickly or are hard to find in your fridge, you're less likely to eat them. Organizing your kitchen and learning storage tips can help you get the most out of your grocery list. Leftovers can be a great way to save time and money, but they're often overlooked when planning a grocery list. Without a plan for leftovers, food can go to waste, or you might end up eating the same meal repeatedly. Creative use of leftovers can keep your meals interesting and reduce waste. People with special dietary needs like allergies, intolerances, or medical conditions may find it challenging to create a healthy grocery list. It's important to tailor your list to your unique needs and seek guidance from a nutrition professional if necessary. Shopping for a family can be tricky, especially with picky eaters. Parents may compromise on healthy choices to keep everyone happy. Finding creative ways to include nutritious foods that everyone enjoys can make healthy eating a family affair. Even with a healthy grocery list, frequent dining out can derail your nutrition goals. Restaurant meals often contain more calories, salt, and fat than home-cooked meals. Balancing eating out with home-cooked meals is key to maintaining healthy habits. Trendy foods and diets can influence what people put on their grocery lists. While some trends offer health benefits, others may be based on hype rather than science. It's important to evaluate new food trends critically and focus on balanced, evidence-based nutrition. With so many options available, grocery shopping can feel overwhelming. Some people overcomplicate their lists, trying to include every superfood or new product. Keeping your list simple and focused on whole, minimally processed foods can make healthy eating easier. Establishing a routine can help make healthy eating automatic. When grocery shopping and meal prep become regular habits, it's easier to stick to your goals. Consistency is more important than perfection, and routines can help you build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Mindfulness can transform your shopping experience. Paying attention to your choices, considering your hunger cues, and reflecting on your goals can help you make better decisions. Mindful shopping means being present and intentional, rather than shopping on autopilot. Keeping track of what you buy and eat can reveal patterns and help you make improvements. Whether it's a food diary, an app, or simple notes, tracking helps you stay accountable and adjust your habits over time. Healthy eating is a journey, and it's important to celebrate progress along the way. Recognizing small victories like choosing fruit over chips or cooking a new recipe can boost motivation and reinforce positive habits. Everyone slips up sometimes. Instead of feeling guilty, use mistakes as learning opportunities. Reflecting on what went wrong and how you can do better next time is a powerful way to grow and improve your healthy eating habits. Support from friends, family, or a community can make healthy eating easier. Sharing your goals and challenges with others can provide encouragement and accountability. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out resources that support your journey. Life is full of changes, and your grocery list should adapt too. Whether it's a new job, a move, or a change in health, being flexible and willing to adjust your habits is key to long-term success. Confidence grows with experience, The more you practice healthy shopping and cooking, the easier it becomes. Celebrate your progress and trust yourself to make good choices, even when faced with challenges. Healthy eating isn't just about what's on your grocery list. It's about your overall approach to food, your habits, and your mindset. Keeping the big picture in mind can help you make choices that support your long-term health and happiness. To sum up, many people misunderstand the role of a grocery list in healthy eating. It's not just about writing down healthy foods. It's about planning, preparation, and making mindful choices every step of the way. By understanding the common pitfalls, you can turn your grocery list into a powerful tool for better health. Here are some actionable tips. Plan your meals before making your list, include healthy snacks and beverages, learn to read nutrition labels, and prep your food in advance. Stay flexible, track your progress, and don't be afraid to seek support. These steps can help you make the most of your grocery list and support your healthy eating journey. Healthy eating is about more than just the foods you buy. It's a holistic approach that includes planning, preparation, balance, and flexibility. By focusing on the bigger picture and making small, consistent changes, you can build habits that last a lifetime. A grocery list is a practical tool for organizing your shopping and supporting your nutrition goals. However, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Combining a thoughtful list with mindful shopping, meal planning, and preparation can help you achieve your health objectives. Mindful choices are at the heart of healthy eating. This means being aware of your habits, understanding your motivations, and making intentional decisions about what you buy and eat. Mindfulness helps bridge the gap between your grocery list and your actual eating habits. In conclusion, a grocery list is a valuable starting point, but it's not a guarantee of healthy eating. By understanding the common misconceptions and taking practical steps to plan, prepare, and make mindful choices, you can turn your grocery list into a powerful ally on your journey to better health. Remember, healthy eating is a process, one that's built on knowledge, habits, and a willingness to adapt.